Hey, welcome guys in the tutorial of Solidworks. So we are going to see that how can you make this geometry which looks a little bit difficult but it has very easy steps. So how can we make this? So let's start. Going for a new file, part file, and now going for sketch, selecting the right face, and we are going to first sketch the this slant face. So let's make the slant face. For that, selecting the line option, like this, and then giving the dimension to this. This is 5, this is 35, 25. Now we are going to extrude this, which having 40 units of thickness. So we got our the middle part. Now selecting this face, and then click to normal, again click on sketch, make a rectangle here like this, give the dimension, this is 35 and this is 30. Go to features, extrude it, this is 20. So we got this block. Now for this side, go to normal, right click, click on sketch, again make a rectangle, features, extrude, and the same 20, click on right. So now we got our the geometry. There is a hole inside it. As you can see, this hole or this hole which is in the shape of rectangular block. So let's go again here and select this face, normal, go for sketch, select line or select rectangle, from here to here, make it like this, give dimension, from here to here is 10, from this edge to this is 10, and the height is 20. Go to features, go to extrude cut, and you can use through all both, click on right. So now if you go for isometric view, you get your geometry. So it's a very easy, you have to use some easy steps, not the hard one, and you can get your geometry in a very easy way. So for the dimension, what you can do, you can go to dim expert, go to auto dimension, here select the 3 datums. So let's select this first, second datum is this one, third datum is this one. Now click on right, so you will get all the dimension from the datum. We want x, y, z, so we select the 3 datum lines and we got our dimension. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like it, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.